What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Passion. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this Chun bun with the chopsticks. So first I'm going to start off by combing my hair out, just detangling it. I lay down and it was all messed up, so I'm just going to comb that out a little bit because I'm going to be straightening around the nape of my neck and my edges. Now I like to go in with my flat iron, or you can use a pressing comb around the edges and the nape of my hair because it just gives it a more smooth look and it's easier to apply edge control, gel, what have you. So now I'm going to be going in to try to get the most perfect part as I possibly could. It is hard recording yourself trying to do your hair and you only have a mirror in the front. If you guys know, trying to do a part in the back, you can't see. So I'm just going to be feeling, have a feel for getting the part as straight as possible. So now I'm going to section that side off to make sure none of those flyaway hairs messes up the part for me. So I'm going to put that to the side and work on my ponytail. And right now I'm going to be dry brushing, meaning I didn't put any product yet until I get my hair into the ponytail so I can do my edges. And y'all already know this would not be a video. I would not be me if I didn't play around for a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with some bobby pins. You can use hair ties as well. Sometimes I use hair ties. But for this look, since I'm going to be using the chopsticks, I'm going to use the bobby pins. It's just going to be a lot easier for me. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and try to work these edges and perfect these. I'm using the Got To Be Glued, so you can use anything that you prefer. Edge control, it just doesn't work for me, but you know, if that works for your hair, then so be it. Alright, so now I'm going to put my scarf on to lay my edges down while they dry and figure out how to put these chopsticks in, y'all. So I googled the nearest market, Asian market around me, and that's where I found the chopsticks at. They do come in different colors as well. I had so much trouble trying to get these things in my head, but I finally figured it out the way that I liked it, and I thought it came out very, very nice. So here's the big reveal, y'all. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like and a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.